Hey guys, welcome back to the channel to another vlog. Today is what?
Oh shit, what date is it?
What date is it? What day it is?
Yeah, I don't know what date it is.
Every day is Sunday for us.
What date is? Seriously, I don't know.
It's 4th of June and today is Friday, Thursday. Today is Thursday
Thursday.
and according to our schedule we have to cook chicken today.
No, according to our schedule, we have
Sorry, according to the schedule the plan was kadhi chawal but we don't have garlic so we'll have to make chicken.
So this is the schedule that we prepare. Like we have started to prepare every month now. So in this we have distributed the recipes
Look
as per
at
the
the-
days.
Yeah.
So we can plan our groceries accordingly
Yeah.
and can save on our groceries since
Yeah, and I don't have to cook for cook twice a day. I just cook it in the morning and then we eat the whole thing. We eat the same thing for whole day.
And
so
we don't get bored of our recipes, so we have
Yeah.
placed everything accordingly. So dal rice is only on one day of the week, and then Frankie, and then paneer sabzi.
Wednesday paneer, Thursday kadhi chawal, Saturday, Friday we'll eat from outside on Friday because one cheat meal is
Yeah.
allowed. Saturday is momos, Manchurian soup, vada pav, and
All the junk food.
Sundays egg curry, chicken, egg. Saturdays.
And on those days, Dharti will eat.
I'll eat hash
browns.
brown and stir fry vegetables because
So today is actually
Save animals.
Thursday, but we had to cook kadhi chawal.
yeah, but like I
ran out
said,
of
we don't have garlic.
Yeah, we don't have garlic, so we are going to cook chicken today and cheat on our schedule. First time. This is the first time we are cheating. Like we followed till now.
Yeah, but it's only been a week.
Yeah.
This is the first week. So what we'll do is
And Dharti,
this recipe is very simple. This is like simplest recipe you'll ever see for
chicken.
making chicken, and it is very desi style. It is not.
and her being a vegetarian, she knows how to cook it.
Yeah,
It's so easy.
if you have a non-vegetarian girlfriend, you'll have to eventually learn how
I'm
to.
so lucky.
दिल का रास्ता पेट से जाता है. Angle change because this is better.
So to make chicken, what do we need?
To make chicken masala, we need 2 onions if you are cooking for 3 people.
First we need joke tab na
First, you need obviously chicken,
chicken.
and then tomato, ginger garlic paste, and 2-3 chilies, green chilies, and 2 spoons of garam masala,
Salt
1
and
spoon of turmeric powder, and 2 or 3 spoons of red chili powder. Depends on how spicy you want. Let's start cutting onion, and Shubh will chop them into
the
small
magic
pieces in
chopper.
the magic chopper because chopper really helps. If you're a beginner, you should get a chopper
Yeah.
because it also saves time and you'll cry less while cutting onions.
So the chicken is in the microwave. I've kept it on defrost setting. So it is not frozen while we cook it.
The first time when I made this recipe was
A month ago.
2 months ago. Was 2 months ago, and
And I was really surprised.
because she wanted to eat chicken since she is a non-vegetarian,
I was really surprised that it was so good.
We
Maybe
just-
it's because of chicken, but Dharti is really good cook. She's a really good cook.
she said she couldn't eat outside since the coronavirus outbreak, so we thought of making chicken at home. The thing is, I don't touch it or I don't wash it. I just make the masala and I just stir it. Washing and cutting, everything is done by Shobh. So if any vegetarians are getting offended, then I'm sorry. So I've cut onions. So I've cut tomatoes and chilies. Cutting part is almost done and we just have to cook now. Hello folks, welcome to my recipe channel. Today we are going to make chicken, gouty chicken. And for that I've showed all the ingredients. And take a small kadai and put 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. Teaspoon.
Not table. You want them to put entire table in that small kadai?
Tablespoon, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up for some time, and then once it gets heated up, we'll put onion and we'll saute until it gets the golden brown. So we'll, as you can see, the heat is oiled up. As you can see, the oil is heating and it's almost ready. We'll put some onions.
Some onion, 2 onions.
We'll put our chopped onions. Remember, we chopped 2 onions. Not more than that, not less than that. Ginger garlic paste. Put at least 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and not 1 table. So as you can see, the onions have become golden brown. Sure?
Not golden brown.
They are golden brown. So next step is you add tomatoes and chilies.
First tomatoes?
Yeah,
Why?
doesn't matter. Keep this sauce. And you mix it properly. And you let the tomatoes cook until they get soft.
Till the tomatoes get soft. Tell something about yourself.
Abba dabba jabba.
Why are you so soft?
I'm not soft.
You are a soft heart. You have a soft heart.
Have you touched my heart?
From outside. Yummy. What is the next step now?
That's our friend Rahil.
Hi.
He said hi. He's our classmate. He's also from Mumbai. He's from Dadar.
Show the masala box.
It's not a really, or it's almost empty. So as you can see that our mixture is ready almost. So we'll put 1 tablespoon, not table, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Two tablespoon of chili powder, or maybe 3.
Please don't put more than 2. Don't Dharti, please.
No, it was only half.
No, don't. Are Dharti, you don't like
I put
me
only
or
2.
what? Do you hate me?
And 2 spoons of garam masala.
No one wants spicy food, Dharti, please. Even Ryan doesn't want spicy food.
We'll put some salt.
Don't put a lot of it. Because we already added salt on the chicken.
Yeah. So Shubha already added all the chicken pieces. What you have to do next, do you know that?
Just stir.
Just mix it well with the masala and put extra masala if you think that the masalas are...
No, we don't need extra masala.
If you think, I'm
Our-
just saying,
our
it's just for
bodies-
audience.
are sending us a message that enough is enough, no more masala.
Keep flipping the chicken at least for 5 minutes. So after tossing the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes, add some water. If you want more like gravy, then you can add more water. If you want chicken sukha, then half glass is okay. Keep the flame on low, and after adding water, close it with a lid. If you have a lid, then okay. We don't have lid, so this is a desi jugaad. And keep at least for 20 minutes, and keep checking in between if it's getting burnt or not. And that way in 20 minutes your chicken will be ready. Chicken is almost ready. Not almost. It's ready. So you guys take one bite and then let me know how it's cooked. I've made hash brown for myself. They are also frozen. You just have to bake them in the oven.
Really good.
It's not uncooked?
No.
It's good.
I can't taste, so I don't know.
Not very spicy also.
Yeah.
Up till now.
We love it.
Guys, we just ate lunch and ate ice cream. Sleepy right now. We might take a nap or watch some Netflix and get back to you soon. I did not even realize when did I sleep. We both have come across a nice sleeping pattern. We cuddle and we don't even realize when do we sleep. It's 6:30 in the evening and I'm still feeling sleepy. So we are feeling this self-journal book. Journal for self-exploration. Start where you are. So today's question is, what is something you could leave behind?
You don't have to write. She's writing a poem.
Yeah, done. I'm done. What is something you wish you could leave behind? You read yours first.
Okay, mine is very simple. I wish to leave guilt behind. The social anxiety that I got from not talking to everyone. So I used to be very silent in the class, and I used to sit in the last bench, and I used to not speak to everyone. So in school and in college. So because of that, I got social anxiety as an adult. So I wish to leave that behind, and I wish I would have spoken up more. Bad memories of my parents. So like it's not that disturbing, but yeah. And anxiety about future. So I have a lot of anxiety about future, like what's going to happen in future. Am I going to be on the streets someday? So I feel really anxious about it. So I wish to leave these things behind. Everything else has made me the way I am, and I'm proud of that. But all these things, I don't like to think about them. So I want to leave these things behind. You read yours. Be loud.
So I've written, what is something you wish you could leave behind? All the pain, all the sadness, all the heartbreaks, all my anxiety, all my depression, can I leave this behind? Guess no. All the agony, all the bad memories, all my childhood, all the anger, can I leave this behind? I guess no, because all is me, all in me, all of me, all about me. How can I leave behind? I guess no.
But you can move on from that. That's what this page is there.
Hey guys, it's almost 12. It's 12 a.m. and we are about to sleep. We didn't do anything interesting after our nap. We just ate dinner and we friends were talking. That's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully.
Bye.
Shaba khair.
Like and share and subscribe. Shabba khair.
Bye.